Hi guys, so in today's tutorial we're gonna make these wristlets. You can make them in any different size, in any size you would love. I made here smaller size. This is a 3mm cord, and here, as you can see, 5mm cords. And of course, if you have different cords, you will need a different type of clasps. So let's get started with the tutorial. So in this tutorial, we will need a clasp. I'm gonna use 5mm cord. That's why the clasp is big here. So, and as well, 5mm cord. We will need 2 of them, and each one is 250 centimeter. And then eventually, to wrap things up, we will need as well 3mm cord, around 41 centimeter. I use different color to look a little bit extreme, extra with the design. So you can choose whatever color you want. If you want the same color as your main cord, you have the choice. So let's get started. So we start with doing lurk knot, and we have to make sure that they are not equal, the two parts. What I mean, that you're gonna do the one that is facing outside longer than the one that is facing inside. I'll show you how. So we usually fold the cord into half when we do the lurk knot. Here we don't. We make one side longer than the other. The longer side is going to be facing outward, and the shorter side going to face inward. So the whole length of the is going to be the length of the middle part. So you start with the lurk knot. And make sure that both cords are the same length in the middle. We don't want it to look really, not in the same length. And we do the second lurk knot. So that's how it looks from here. The two in the middle, which are these, are shorter than the rest. Now I pinned everything. What I like to do is to do half square knot just to secure things up. Only half of it. We're not gonna do the full square knot. Like that. And then we leave around 2 to 3, I like to leave 2 fingers from this half square knot, and then we start doing normal square knots. It's going to be more or less like this. So here we have a full square knot, and we're going to continue just doing this till we like the length that we have. One tip that I like to give people is that if you see, for example, the knot is in the left, that means you just done the right one. And if you see the knot on the right, that means you just did the left one. What I mean by that, let's do a knot together now, because it's always confusing. I used to be confused all the time about this. But then when I learned about this, I was like, okay, it makes sense now. So we're doing the left side, and you see it here, it's gonna be facing right, so it's this right one. And now that means we have to start doing the right side. So go down through, and here we have is the left side. So that's what we have done so far. Continue doing it until you're satisfied with the link. Just remember, we're gonna fold it. So I still have a lot to do. It's around 50 centimeter, the whole thing in the middle. So I'll be back when I'm done. See, here I am. I came till the end. I've done it, and I still have this part, but I did it. I wrapped it around my wrist, and I feel happy with the length. If you want to go longer, just go longer. If you want it shorter, just do it shorter. It's up to you. But for me, that is enough. So what we're gonna do now is to fold the ends like this, and we do them end to end. So make sure that the ends are facing each other. And then you take this, what's left, and put it through here. So that how it look from the side, that's from the front. Now we're gonna do the gathering knot in this space. So we start by making a loop, and then we wrap the yarn, the cord around it from the top to the bottom, and just make sure everything is lined up. Just wrap it as tight as you can. If the cord is not enough, you can get, of course, longer cord. The first cord I got was around 41 centimeter, but I thought it wasn't that long, so I did another one, and I cut around 60 centimeter. And then you insert the length of the cord, the loop you made. As you can see, this cord is just too long now. And then you pull it. And here you have it. So we're gonna cut everything now and make our project clean. That's what I usually like to do, just to hide the extra parts. with the scissor itself, so don't need extra tool for that. Then from here as well, and then we have here extra parts as well. We cut them up. And of course we try to hide them. And here you have it. That's the result. And here you have it. Here's the cute keychain, 2 different colors, and it fits around my wrist perfectly. Or of course, if you want it one color, you have the choice to make it adjustable to your liking. Thank you guys for watching this short tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye.